Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to find a Tangerine bank Toronto Swift code. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to find bank Tangerine Toronto Swift code, the first thing that you need to know the Swift code. Tangerine Bank Swift code of the Toronto is TANGCA22, which is used for international wire transfers and valid for Toronto and all Tangerine locations. The next step is to open the Tangerine application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on the More option on the bottom right corner of your screen, then inside select Contact Us. Then once you select it, what you need to do is ask for wire details. On the screen, what you need to do is tap on or select Secure Message or Call, and then ask for the Swift or BIC code, bank address for wires, and any extra instructions. This is helpful if a bank or firm asks for confirmation. The next step is to use the code for your transfer. Simply enter the Swift code in the wire form by using Swift or BIC code, which is TANGCA22, bank name Tangerine Bank, country is Canada, and city is Toronto. Once done, you'll be able to send or use the Swift code of the Tangerine Bank. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.